Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Efrin Firmansyah. I'm from Agrotechnology Department of UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bantul. I represent my team to deliver our research about mortality and attack intensity of Spodoptera exigua on shallots with Clove essential oil application. As we know, Spodoptera exigua is a polyphagous insect that can be attacking many plant species, especially in the shallots. Spodoptera exigua, known as a major pest in these plants. And to control this pest, many farmers or most farmers are using synthetic pesticide. And as we know that using synthetic pesticides simultaneously can increase the negative effect like increasing the residue, increasing a plant, increasing pest resistant, pest resurgent, and pest replacement. So to minimize the negative effect, we need an alternative control. And clove, Syzygium aromaticum, according to Vitria, using the essential oil of clove has an effect on the mortality of Spodoptera exigua. The concentration of 2.5% causes 94% of mortality in the laboratory condition. Based on her results, what is the effectiveness of essential oil of clove in the shallot field? And it is the aim of our research. And the method used were a randomized block design with 5 treatments of clove essential oil, namely VO 0%, V1 2.5%, V2 5%, V3 7%, and the last V4 9%. Each treatment has 5-time replication, and the mortality and attack intensity was observed during the research. Data were analyzed by ANOVA and Duncan multi-variant tests. Uh, and the results? Based on the results of analysis of variants, the concentration of clove essential oil significantly affected the mortality of Spodoptera exigua larva. The mortality of Spodoptera exigua saw a significant difference between the control and treatment E. The control treatment showed the lowest mortality of 78%, while the clove essential oil concentration of 9% showed the highest mortality, 90%. This indicates that clove essential oil had an effect on mortality of Spodoptera exigua. The content of secondary metabolites in clove essential oil is able to resist or kill and reduce the population of Spodoptera exigua. One of the secondary metabolites in clove essential oil is flavonoid. Flavonoids are thought to be able to enter through the cuticle and cover the larva so that it can damage the respiratory system of the larva. The flavonoid enter the insect body through the respiratory system and then cause damage of the respiratory system, causing mortality. In addition, flavonoid, there are also other ingredients such as saponin. Saponin are bioactive compounds as toxins that are included in the contact poison class because they can enter through the body wall of the larva, and saponin also have a bitter taste so that it reduces the appetite of the larva so it will die of starvation. Another ingredient containing clove essential oil is tannin. Tannin are metabolites that can interfere with insect digesting food. This happens because tannin will bind to protein in the digestive system that insects need to grow so that the process of protein absorption in the digestive system is disrupted. Tannin metabolites can suppress appetite, growth rate, and survival ability. Based on the analysis of variant, the concentration of essential oil significantly affect the intensity of plant damage or intensity of attack atau attack intensity. Based on Duncan test, it showed that there was a significant difference between the control and the treatment. The value of the intensity of damage caused by Spodoptera exigua is relatively small, is between 0.6%. But this can be seen in the Charlotte with relative few symptoms of Spodoptera exigua. However, in the field, it was identified that the damage to the Shallots was quite high, which was caused by the symptom of Fusarium wild disease, which was quite high with a percentage of 65%. Uh, I'm sorry. So that most of the damage caused by Fusarium wild disease and the damage caused by Spodoptera exigua larva on solid plant is quite small. Overall, the phytochemical content of clove essential oil that has a fast response to Spodoptera exigua mortality is saponin, flavonoid, and tannin, which are able to act as larvicidal through the mechanism of damaging cell membranes or disrupting larval metabolite processes. Uh, and the conclusion of this presentation, the clove essential oil, Syzygium aromaticum, with a concentration of 9%, was the most influential treatment for the highest mortality and the lowest intensity attack of Spodoptera exigua in the field. Uh, Maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.